Hello, my name is Felicita Santiago, and I currently work at La Peninsula Head Start as a UPK teacher. Before that, I was at Salvation Army Daycare Center as a UPK teacher and a teacher's aide, as you can see here. Excuse me. As you can see here, I moved on to Northside for Child Development, and I was there from 2013 to 2016. And there I was in the toddler's room, and I was with the 1.5 to 2 years old. That's the same Salvation Army. Oh, wait a minute, excuse me. I also worked at Head Start, South Bronx Head Start as a UPK teacher. I was there from 2015 to 2016, but it closed down. I'm sorry, I didn't update the resume, but anyway. I did a little bit of substituting. That was for a private daycare called Little Angels. I also did some nanny work with the Cortez family. And skills, I'm bilingual. I know a little something about computers, not too much. Education, I received my associates from Empire State College in 2013, and my degree was in science/education studies. I have the autism workshop, the child abuse, violence prevention, and as you can see, this resume is pretty old because I didn't put I also have my bachelor's. That's all. Like I said before, this is all new to me, so it's looking a little funny and my computer's not really that updated. But hello everyone, and good luck to you on the course. And again, my name is Felicita Santiago. Welcome to the course, everyone.